Hello, good evening students. Let us try to have a look over the work done in isothermal reversible expansion of gas students. Okay, so we have already solved student, that is the work done in the irreversible process, but here is the isothermal reversible process. How can you be able to understand student? So isothermal, that is what the point they are using students, that is they are saying isothermal. So what do you mean by isothermal student? That is delta T is equal to 0. That is what is isothermal process. So according to Boyle's law, according to Boyle's law. So what is the law are there student? At at constant T, how to derive student? At constant T, okay, P inversely proportional to volume, or we can write that is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 we are writing. When you draw the graph between P and B, since it is inversely proportional, so one is increasing, so another is decreasing. So it will, the curve is like coming like this. Okay, this is the PB curve. If suppose they are asking the calculate the work here, okay, so if anyone is asking to calculate the work and here this work, okay, so how can you be able to calculate? We cannot apply W is equal to P external delta V, we cannot apply. No, minus P external delta V we cannot apply, because pressure is getting change here. You can see pressure is getting change. So here is pressure is this much, here is this much, here is this much, here is this much. So we cannot apply this normal. Okay, it means what we have to do in this one student, we have to integrate this equation. Okay, we have to integrate this equation. So how can you be able to integrate? Take this small area student, take this small area. Okay, how much area we are taking? This small area you take student, and then integrate this area. Firstly you take this small area and then you try to integrate this area. Okay, so this is what volume we are considering student, dV. Okay, dV. So W if you are applying, so what we can say students, let us see, that is the meaning of the reversible. Firstly, reversible. What is meaning of reversible? It is extremely slow process student, extremely slow process, and any time it can be reversed. This is the P external, dear student, and on this P external there is the small bundles are there, small the pressure particles are there, small. Okay, so this is what the small particles are there, dear students. And what we are going to do, if small particles are there, so what we are going to do, if this small particle, any this particle are the 1 part of the 1000. Okay, very small, these are the very small. So if it is the very small students, so what will happen if you are removing? So it will expand. Okay, expand. Okay, if you are removing, if you are very small particle, very small particles are there, and if you are removing, remove. So if you are removing, so removed, so very small volume will be changed. If you are removing student, so that is expansion will occur, expansion, and volume will change student, volume will change. So how much volume is going to be change students, that we have to keep in mind. Okay, so in this case, when the pressure, if you are removing, the pressure of the gas will be, inside will be high than the outside. So we can say that is P gas is greater than P external. Okay, P gas is greater than P external. So P gas how much will be there student? P external will be there plus what is small p, whatever we need, whatever we remove the particle, for that we have to add on. Okay, up now student, so we are going to apply what student, what we are going to apply, that is integration. So W is equal to, that is how can we apply negative, this is the P external delta V, this is there. Now from because this is the this is the delta V naught student dV. So this value is dV, so we need this value also in term of dV, so that we can integrate now. Similar things we can be integrate. So we can write the student from P external P external delta V, P external delta V is equal to nRT, okay. P external delta V is equal to nRT. So P external is equal to nRT upon what will come student, upon V, okay. Better you write the V student, no need to write the delta sign here. From ideal gas equation, PV is equal to, this is what, this you consider external because it is the equilibrium condition, P external nRT by V. So dear students, here you at the P external you put out the nRT by V. So here is what will happen student, this is the nRT by V and dV, okay. So dear students, nRT are the constant, so is equal to what, nRT here will be, that is what, dV upon what student, V, dV upon V, okay. So if you are doing the integrate remove, what we will be able to do is student, what you will be able to get here, you will be able to get the remove the integration sign and put out the mod. So it will come the, if you are removing the integration, log V will come student, and that is, this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So V1 V2, or we can write student, that is nRT, okay. nRT we can write, that is log V2 minus log V1, this we can write, okay. Another things we can write student, minus nRT log log A by B is equal to, this can be break into the log A by B. So log V and log V2 upon V1. So log base E is there, you convert into log base 10. So minus 2.303 nRT log, what will be there student, log base 10 V2 upon V1. This is the W work done in the isothermal reversible expansion. Since we know that is P1 P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So V2 by V1 is equal to, V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2. So at the place of P1 B2 by B1 you can put out the P1 by P2. So W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log 10, okay, P1 by P2. This is our required answer student. Thank you so much for watching dear students, okay. So this is quite easy one, we will solve the problem based on it in the next video lecture student. Thank you so much for watching friends.